I'll be shutting this down. I have a pen drive here, and that pen drive has Proxmox installed in it. Okay. Just a little more. Closing this, doing shutdown. Okay. Yeah. F12. So it's entering boot menu. And 1 minute. Enter. Enter to pause. I'm going to select BIOS utility. Kitna acha hai? Hey, this is so good. Wow. Enter to BIOS. One. Yeah, otherwise I'll keep doing this. I don't know. Depends. मुझे क्या चाहिए था? Secure. Virtualization. ये क्या है? Hot plug and play devices connected to the system. Virtualization technology enable करो. ये सब enable करो. Biometric. मेरे पास biometric मतलब इसमें है biometric technically इसमें है. The laptop has it. But I am not going to enable it because it does not make sense. I mean, it does not make sense for Proxmox. It's automatically enabled legacy, blah blah blah, automatically disabled, Thunderbird are automatically optimized. Legacy boot and CMS are automatically disabled. Thunderbolt settings are automatically optimized. हाँ तो फिर ये कर दिया होता मैंने. Able to see what I'm doing. So ये Windows Boot Manager जो default था. Don't ask me. ये NVMe storage है इसका. So this is like 16 GB, 256 GB, i5 8th generation. Typical पुराना computer. Yeah, right? Yeah, there we go. You have the 3 options that I was talking about. These are the 3 options. I'm going to select the GUI. It's easy to understand what's going on. Meanwhile, this happens. Let me switch to screen share. You guys are able to see all of this, right? So this is what it is about. It's like a secure, reliable, open source enterprise solution. I know, I mean, it is written there, but it's a really good solution for your Homelabs. It started as Homelabs, but now it is doing a lot of things. Okay. Alag hai problem. This is like a standard thing. Here you can select the hard disk if you have multiple hard disks and you want to install it on a specific hard disk. And क्या कभी कभार क्या होता है ना, you are doing it on a desktop, you have multiple like 2 TB है, 4 TB, whatever. You can select the hard disk. For now, for like simplicity, this is what I have, right? So the hard disk that I was going to select, अभी ये एक ही है, तो I do not have much options. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit on next. Country फिलहाल मेरा तो इंडिया है, तो make sure तुम तुम्हारा country डालो. Asia, Kolkata. I have to move around because there's like this camera here, so don't mind me doing all of this. I'll just stand here. Then you can add your password, change later on. And my email ID is okay. Next, FQDN. Acha, haan. Okay. This is the fun part. So this will be the IP address that you will be setting for your entire systems, all of your systems. तो अभी इसका जो DNS system है, इसका जो DNS server है, I'm going to, since I have Pi-hole installed already, I'm going to change all of this. You guys don't have to change this. You can just click on next and this will work for you. Click on next. So file system, okay, it's just a preview of what is it. And then I'm going to hit install. Virtualization platform, container virtualization, live migration, blah blah blah. It does all of that. ठीक है, ये सब ऐसे ही नहीं दिखा रहे हैं वो. It beautifully does all of those things. ठीक है. So installation हो रहा है, तब तक we can just look at the other things that I have. A lot of things that we would want to do here. Once the installation is done, I'll just plug it in, check all of my network, make the backups work for this one, and move my entire system, basically migrate my entire system here. Yeah, installation is successful.